Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Miss Kissinger. Today is Friday, and we are going over how to do our virtual lab for the atomic structure. Where you'll want to go is into Canvas and scroll down to week 1. We'll be looking for our assignment in Friday. What I want to do is show you guys how to navigate and complete this assignment in Canvas for our virtual lab. You will need to click on the Atomic Structure Lab. Once this lab is opened up, you will see that it is a small window down here that will launch you for Google Slides. You'll also see a blue hyperlink here. You'll want to click on that hyperlink to extend it and make it bigger and easier to follow. The beginning page is an introduction to the lab, and the secondary page is about what those targets are that we are going to be accomplishing by completing this lab. We also have over here our first part of our assignment is to do a PhET simulation. You'll want to click on this blue hyperlink to be able to launch that app. Once it opens, you will see that there is a Build an Atom page. The first one is some practice on building an atom. The second one is practice on building symbols. And the final one is the game. The game here is the one you will actually want to activate to be able to complete the first part of the assignment. When you click on this, you will see 4 options. There is one about the periodic table, one about weight, one about the atomic symbols and the meanings of each of the numbers, and then the final one is a mix of all 3 games. If you notice, each game is worth 5 stars. Your goal is to get as many stars as possible. You may complete each game over and over again until you've achieved the number of points you want. Each star is worth 1 point, so this part of the assignment, it'll be worth 20 points. If you do not get all 20 stars, you will get that many points based on how many stars you have gotten. Once you have completed that, you'll need to take a screenshot of this game. The way to take a screenshot is listed here in the directions on the next page. Here, it tells you to take a screenshot on your Chromebook, and you can click here for directions. If you click on that, it will then show you how to go about taking a screenshot using your Chromebook. The way you will do this is by pressing this button right here along with the control button. That will take a picture of your entire screen. It then will save to your Chromebook. After that, you will then need to go here and insert your image. The way that you will insert your image is by going up to the top here, clicking Image, and Upload from your computer. Then you will locate a picture of the image that you just completed. Once you have done this, you will move on to the next part of the lab. Here, you will be typing into each of these text boxes. You can expand the screen by doing a finger pinch on your trackpad and expanding the image. By expanding it, it'll allow you to be able to see each of these images clearer and easier for counting. So as we can see here, the first one asks how many protons are in this atom, and we look for the red dot. In this case, there is 1. So in that first text box, you would write 1. In the second one, it asks for the number of neutrons. Again, you will be looking for the blue dot and entering that information in here. You will continue to complete all the text boxes until the very end. From here, you will have a total of 12 atoms that you will be completing. Down below, there are questions to answer that are directly related to the information in your data table that you just created. Once you have completed this assignment, again, you do not need to hit any of these buttons up here. It will auto-save and it will auto-share with me. What you will do then is you will go back to the actual lab page in Canvas, and over here next to the blue link, you will see a Submit button. Once you press Submit, underneath here, you will see the date and timestamp of where it had been submitted. Once that is done, you have completed this lab activity. Again, as always, if you guys have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Good luck, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you guys today and again on Monday. Thank you.